How to show or hide desktop icons on Windows 11. Your desktop icons may be hidden. To add icons to your desktop such as this PC, recycle bin and many more, right-click on the desktop. Click Personalize. Click on Themes. Scroll down. Then click on Desktop Icon Settings. Mark all of them. Then click on Apply. All desktop icons will appear. If you uncheck them and click Apply, they will disappear again. Now to hide all the icons, right-click on the desktop. Hover the mouse on View. Click on Show Desktop Icon. Now all icons will disappear. To appear them again, right-click on Desktop. Hover the mouse on View. Click on Show Desktop Icon again. Now all icons will appear on the desktop. And that's how you can show or hide desktop icons on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.